Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. My name is Juan and today I'll be guiding you through a 5-minute core workout for beginners. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's take it down to the ground. We're gonna start with roll-ups. Lie flat on your back. Feet are extended, arms are extended. We're going to exhale as we roll our hands in and roll ourselves up. And inhale as we roll ourselves back out. Continue to focus on rolling yourself up one vertebrae at a time. Focusing on your breath. Finding the strength in your breath to get up. Last couple of seconds here. Go ahead and take a 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move on to our next move, which is going to be reverse crunches. We're going to stay on our backs. For reverse crunches, we're going to lift our feet up. I'm going to bring our legs in and out. Here we go. Our legs come in as we exhale, out as we inhale. Performing a reverse crunch. Engaging our lower abdomen. Last couple seconds. Finish up your last move. Take a 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move forward to heel taps next. We're gonna stay on our back. Our knees come up this time around 45-degree angle or 90-degree angle. And we're going to lift our shoulder blades off the ground, bringing our hand to touch our heel and back down before we alternate to our other limb. Inhaling as you come down, exhaling as you come up. We go back, giving ourselves a full range of motion. Keep a neutral neck. Last couple seconds here. Go ahead and take another 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move forward to glute bridges next. We're going to stay on our backs. We're going to keep our legs kind of where they were for heel taps. But we're going to come up with our glutes, engaging our booty and coming back down. Let's go ahead and begin. Join me. Come on up. Engage that glute. Get yourself up. Engage your core. You should feel your entire upper body here doing some work before you come on down and come right back up. Exhale as you come down. Inhale as you come up. Engage your core and protect your lower back here. Great job. Take another 15-second rest. We're getting ready to move forward to bird dogs next. Excuse me, we actually got sit-ups next. We're gonna stay in this position. Our feet are gonna be flat on the ground. We're getting ready to sit up as we exhale and inhale as we come back down. Focusing on engaging our abdomen to raise ourselves up. Continue to focus on your breath. Last couple seconds of this move. Great job. Take another 15-second rest, and now we move forward to bird dogs. For bird dogs, we're coming on to a tabletop positions. We're going to stack our joints, knees below the hips, hands below the shoulders. We're going to extend our limbs, right hand, left leg, engaging our core and our glutes before we come on back and alternate limbs. Join me, focus on your breath. Inhale as you extend into your bird dog. Hold it for a second. Exhale on your way down. Focus on your breath, keep your joints stacked. Keep that core engaged. Great job. Take another 15-second rest, and now we're getting ready to shift over to dead bugs. For our last move of this exercise, we're on our backs, knees are off the ground, feet are off the ground, 45, 90-degree angle at the knees, arms are extended, and we stretch our opposite limbs, right leg, left arm, come back in, shift arms and legs. Inhale as you extend yourself. Exhale as you come back in. Continue to focus on your core engagement as you extend yourself. Great job, guys. That concludes today's 5-minute little workout. I hope you enjoyed today's routine. If you did, make sure you give this a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you so much for watching.